Hey, welcome back to the studios. I'm Corbellic. To anybody who's new here, I've already sold 18,000 paintings on eBay by itself. That's already in the records. You can check that out. But now I do full-time coaching. I help people just like you so that way you can make the sales for yourself. It doesn't matter whatever your goals are. If it's $500 a month, if it's $1,000 a month, if it's $3,000 a month, I have a system that in place that can help you get to your goal. I have tools that can populate and show you what you need to do on a day-to-day basis in order to get there. But also, I work with so many different people so that way I can show you how to do it. Now, the cool thing about this video is going to be more of a testimony. I'm proud. These are people who are part of the elite community who's been putting in the work themselves, who's been showing up, who's been doing everything of what I advise to follow or the structure. Because I always say, look, I didn't go to art school. It's not about who's the most talented. I believe that we're all creators. I believe we're all geniuses. I already know that you're a phenomenal person. It's just about systems in place. And as long as you just have these systems in place, these are things that I've learned for the past 7, 8 years, and then I implement it so that way I can show you how to implement it actually, and I show you how you could just do a copy paste. You don't have to be tech savvy. You just have all the template that's there for you, and then you can build up your own business. All right. So it's just a great thing where in this video I'm going to be showing you testimonies from inside the elite community, people who's actually winning themselves, people who are actually putting in the work. And most of these people didn't go to art school or anything like that. And you don't have to have a social media page where you have to do all this kind of dancing or you have to be an entertainer and you have to chase the clicks and chase the likes. You can be a ghost. I didn't have social media for over 6 years. I just wanted to create art on eBay and that's all I focused on. Now it's a blessing from God that I get a chance to just focus on showing you how to make money, showing you how to free yourself, because that is the only real way how you can free yourself, is that you can just make more money for yourself. So I love doing videos like this because, hey, you don't have to take it from me. You don't have to take it from me. And you damn sure don't have to get into the comments and talk about, hey, well, you didn't sell 18,000 paintings yesterday. Like the records is already there that I've sold that many paintings. Now I focus on you doing the work now. Now I focus on you making the money, and that's what I run off of. So let's just go on these comments right here and go into people who are actually making it for themselves. People are actually making the sales for themselves. So right here, we have one of the elite members, and he's saying, hey, why did I ever doubt? Just a few weeks ago, I found myself questioning whether I was truly doing things the Corbellic way. Since then, I have sold 3 listings totaling $6,600, and that has completely changed my perspective. Think about that. So just on eBay, he's already made close to $7,000 by selling 3 listings because he was just following everything of what I show in the systems and how you can make the money for yourself. He says the combination of buy it now listings plus the 99-cent auctions have proven to be a powerful marketing strategy. It creates excitement, it attracts serious buyers, and keeps steady activity flowing through our eBay store. One of the biggest breakthroughs has been the increase in buyers using the combined shipping rule to purchase multiple pieces of artwork for their homes. That tells me that the system is not only bringing in traffic, it is helping turn shoppers into collectors. Now, what he's talking about right there is that I have a system where I show you how to get the sales psychology to bring in more sales and also how to make money with the combined shipping rule. This is something that it took me years to learn. And I'm telling you, it's a game changer. You're only going to learn it here. So I'm telling you, join us inside the art community so you can learn how to do this for yourself and bring in that dollar. All right. But he also says consistency has also been a major key. Listing regularly, communicating clearly, and staying committed to the process have all helped increase my sales. My wife has now joined me by creating artwork and listing her own pieces, and she has been a tremendous blessing to the business. She is excellent with customer service and communicates with buyers even before they bid or purchase, which builds trust and confidence. God has truly blessed. God has truly been blessing our efforts. I believe this opportunity can work for anyone who is willing to stay consistent, work hard, and trust the process. Success can be yours too. Now, the cool thing about this community is that you can actually come in here and you can make friends with this person. You can ask them questions. They could be your accountability partner if you want to. Other coaching platforms, they just throw you into a PDF or a printout, and then you don't even know if other people are buying it. You're not part of anything where you can reach out to other people. Like, you ever see these videos where they're doing testimonies, and then you don't know if they hired their sisters, brothers, cousin, whoever it is. They're not even good actors. They read from a script like, Mr. Coach Johnny helped me make $6 billion yesterday. Like, come on, that, like, you can tell those you could tell that stuff is fake. But what's cool about this right here is that you can actually reach out to these people. These are real people that's in the community, and you could just be friends with them. That's what makes the community so cool. And I just love these type of stories right here because it's very inspiring. And I need to do more of these type of videos, to be honest, because this is also my business. Just like what he was saying, where he's taking in control of his business by reaching out to the collectors, being personable, and seeing if there's anything that they want, communicating, because these are things that I teach inside the elite community, how you can do this for yourself. And eBay already has the market for you to do this, and it's easier to build up a relationship than it is the galleries. So I need to start making more videos like this as well. But I always try to be humble a little bit, and I'm very modest. But I think it's starting to be more important because I'm starting to see from time to time I'll get people who come into the video who don't know our platform, and they go, yeah, well, Corbellic, you sold 18,000 paintings, but did you sell $1 million yesterday? I'm like, come on, give me a break. Give me a break here. Use some common sense. I run multiple businesses. I'm doing full-time coaching. I'm doing full-time content creation. I'm also creating tools that's inside where I'm serving my community. So use your head. Don't think that that if Michael Jordan is giving you advice on how to play basketball, that you expect him to be playing in the league yesterday. All right, you're being negative or you're being disingenuous. All right, so let's go into the next person right here. We have Sherry, or let's see here. She says, thank you, Corbellic, for the one-on-one. The one-on-one is where I also spend time, where I do coaching. So I do a lot of coaching and I have a lot of meetings where I'll spend time and I go inside your store. I see what items that you need to work on. I could really internalize. If you're having any kind of slow progress or you feel like sales are a little bit slow, then let me go into your eBay store. It doesn't take me long to do a self-diagnosis. And once I do it, I could be able to turn things around for you very quickly. It usually happens overnight. You don't have to wait long at all. It doesn't take weeks. It doesn't take a week. It usually just takes like one day for you to see the results. But what she says right here, she goes, thank you for the one-on-one. Great news and much gratitude for Corbellic Studio. I had my one-on-one with Corbellic on Wednesday, and he made some major tweaks in my store. Fast forward by Friday, in the wee hours of the morning, I was notified of a buy it now sale of a painting that was $455. See, she was able to sell one painting for $455. I had surgery on my foot yesterday, and I checked my emails eBay site when I got home. What a pleasure to come out of the cobwebs of anesthesia to find out that I had a sale. Wow, I'm really excited about the future now. I don't know the last time that I have been able to make that statement and actually believe that this is possible. Thank you, Corbellic Studio, and to the support of this community. That is what's so awesome right there. And you can also see that there you can see all the support from the community down here because these are actual real people who are making real sales, real progress for themselves. And these are just normal day people, like just like you. These aren't people who maybe gone to art school and did all of that stuff. Like, I didn't go to art school. I always like to talk about that. I didn't use social media. I just focused on eBay, but I show you how you could do the systems yourself and how you can make this happen for yourself. $455 off of one painting, that's a blessing right there. What could you do extra with that money? And I mean, these results of what I'm showing you right now, these aren't things from, oh, well, let me read something from you from last year, from 2 years ago. I'm reading you all the results of testimonies that happened over the past week. All right. These are just this is just this week. I get testimonies all the time. But like I said, don't take my word for it. Like, instead of you wanting to either debate with me about nothing or come in and be negative, it takes you no time at all to click the link below and see for yourself. Be friends with these people. Everybody in the community is so friendly. Everybody here is here to support you and help you grow as well. You can do it. You know what I say? If I can do it, then you can do it. And if they can do it, then you could do it. So these are important. Let's go on to the next person. Says here, another one-on-one results. This is a one-on-one that I had. It says, I had a one-on-one session yesterday, 4 p.m. Mountain Time. He praised my dynamic sales campaign and offered other areas of improvement, such as ending other campaigns, creating specific ones for the auctions, buy it nows, and store sales. As of 5 minutes ago, I am 5 minutes away from completely earning back the consultation fee, and it's all from new buyers. That is a big freaking deal. It happened in less than 24 hours. If you're thinking about it, just do it and do it without being scared. I know you're saying Corbellic scared quote in your head right now. You won't regret it. That's too funny. What she was saying right there is that one of the quotes that I always say is, hey, scared money makes no money. And it's so true, because once you're in a mindset of scarcity, once you're in the mindset of like half glass empty, well, I'm holding on to my money and I just gotta wait for this, then the universe knows that you're always like that, and that's how broke people stay broke. That's why always people say, hey, the rich get rich and the broke stays broke, is because there's really a mindset of scarcity and how you're investing in yourself. When people say invest in yourself, they're not always talking about knowledge and education. They're talking about putting yourself in the right circles and investing in your coaching and investing in your in your relationships. So I always advise that as well too. If there's some kind of business thing for you that you want something to be better for, or if there's a relationship, if you really want it to happen, you're not in this world, you have better chance of spending money with people to support. You think that when people invest in country clubs, that they're doing it to play golf? They're investing in it because they're investing in the relationships. It's kind of like a secret society, but also you're investing in yourself with the implementation. Yes, you can learn most things on for free and on YouTube, and if you spend the time, but it's really about the implementation. Invest in yourself. The universe recognizes it, and then that's how you get the blessings back. She was able to invest in herself, and you see that she's already earned back her consultation fee. So this is a great example right here. This is beautiful to see. And like I said, you could join the community and you can reach out to her and ask her, hey, what's her advice, or have her be your accountability partner. If we scroll down here, you can see these are people who supporting her along the way. And that's a great thing, because people will also support your wins. All right. But you could just see here from, this is what the community looks like. It's so supportive. This is our section that we have right here where it's called the wins section. I love to keep this here so that way other people could be inspired by whatever the stories are, whatever the wins are. These are the posts that people will put up. But also I have it in a section in the classroom where it's called our inspiration and our testimonies. So you could just see it right here. These are the testimonies, the inspiration, and these are from so many different people on here where you could click on it and they have their story on here of their wins, different things that they were able to do for themselves. And the cool thing is that anybody could come into this. You can come into that anytime, and you can also see how you can do it for yourself. Or you can reach out to these people, and like I said, you can ask them, hey, are you a real person? Or are you reading from a script? And then you can actually see their screenshots of whatever their results were. And that way you don't have to take it from me. All right. I'm doing these type of videos because that way I don't have to talk about my numbers, or you just go off of their numbers. All right, go off of the people who are actually doing it right now. What my job is right now is to coach you and to make sure that you have the same opportunities that I was able to bless myself with eBay, and to make sure that you could bring money in for yourself. All right. If you don't want to do that, then that's fine. Just say you don't want to do that. But if you are someone who's open to the opportunity, you can see the success that's already there. You can come in, talk to the people, make friends with them. A lot of people are great friends with each other inside the community. It's a great place. And then you'll have the foundation. You know that you'll be able to do it. You'll have the confidence, and you'll have the systems in place, because that's what it's all about. So I hope to be able to work with you. I hope to be able to see you. Click the link below. That way you could join us. And hey, you don't even have to join us or join me. You can just join just to see and talk to other people who are able to do it for themselves and be like, huh, light bulb starts clicking for yourselves. All right. I mean, hey, it's all there. I'm going to check you out in the next video.